Dubai, the city of gold and dreams, the host of the tallest building and the biggest shopping mall. A place known for its stunning and unique attractions, it offers more than just the ordinary. From the stunning beaches to the enchanting desert safaris, from the awe-inspiring museums to the grand hotels, and from delicious cuisine to vibrant nightlife. This city is a paradise for all, filled with sights to see, experiences to enjoy, and memories to make. Now, come along on this journey as we explore the top 10 places to visit in this marvelous city. Imagine standing atop the Burj Khalifa, the highest skyscraper on Earth. You're at the pinnacle, where the air is different, where the world seems so insignificant yet strikingly beautiful. A cool breeze gently brushes against your face, making you shiver. It's not fear, but awe, a sense of wonderment that engulfs you. As you look down, the city sprawls beneath you, a sea of lights glittering like stars, buildings towering like monuments, streets winding like veins of life, each sight more mesmerizing than the last. The cityscape stretches as far as your eyes can see, an endless panorama of human ingenuity and architectural marvel. This isn't just a view, it's a spectacle, a testament to man's relentless desire to reach for the skies. You feel a sense of being alive, the quiet, pulsating thrill of being at the top of the world. The view is breathtaking, the experience unforgettable. Picture yourself in the Dubai Mall. Not merely a shopping complex, this expansive establishment offers a diverse portal into retail therapy. With an abundance of over 1,000 shops, the mall caters to every conceivable taste, every unique preference. Beyond shopping, the mall tantalizes gastronomic adventurers with hundreds of food and beverage outlets, promising a smorgasbord of global cuisines. Adding to your experience, the aquarium and underwater zoo, situated within the mall, boasts a world of aquatic wonder. Don't forget about the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, housed within the mall. Next, envision the Dubai Opera, an architectural gem. Unveiled to the public as a centerpiece of cultural identity, this masterpiece of contemporary design is as the city itself. More than merely a venue, it reflects the city's transformation into a global art hub. Embedded in the fabric of Dubai's artistic growth, it stands as a beacon of cultural advancement. Hosting not only ballet and opera, it is a stage for diverse performances. Ranging from inspiring concerts to mesmerizing theater shows, it captivates audiences. The Dubai Opera hosts a variety of performances from ballet and opera to concerts and theater shows. Next, consider the Palm Jumeirah, a man-made island in the shape of a palm tree. This extraordinary feat of engineering lies off the coast of the vibrant city of Dubai. Born out of an audacious vision to create a paradise amidst the azure waters of the Persian Gulf, it's an awe-inspiring marvel. The island is adorned with world-class resorts, opulent villas, and high-end apartments, reflecting a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury and grandeur. It is an epitome of the city's ambition to defy the ordinary. The Palm Jumeirah is not just a residential hub, but a symbol of Dubai's opulence and grandeur. A stroll around the Crescent or a high tea at a five-star hotel here offers a glimpse into the plush lifestyle that this iconic destination embodies. It is a testament to human innovation and architectural brilliance. Let's not forget the Dubai Miracle Garden, a botanical wonderland home to over 50 million flowers. Nestled in the heart of the city, it's a true oasis in the desert, a spectacle of nature's beauty. Here you will find flowers of every hue, shades you never even imagined existed. With its vibrant colors, it's like stepping into a rainbow on Earth. This garden isn't just a display of flowers, it's a canvas where the colors of nature come to life. Various imaginative floral designs sculpted from these breathtaking flowers will catch your eye at every turn. These artistic creations range from towering figures to intricate patterns, each one more awe-inspiring than the last. It isn't just a garden, it's an experience that captivates all your senses. The scent of blooming flowers fills the air, creating a serene atmosphere. The Dubai Miracle Garden is a testament to what can be achieved when creativity and nature combine. The vibrant colors and creative floral designs make it a must-see for all nature lovers. Now, imagine the Dubai Frame, an architectural marvel that offers panoramic views of old and new Dubai. It stands tall, grand, and glistening under the Arabian sunlight. This 150-meter-high, gold-plated icon bridges the gap between the city's past and its future. From its height, you can see the bustling souks, the wind towers of Al Fahidi district, a glimpse of the past. Then there are the towering skyscrapers, the shimmering marina, the sprawling man-made islands, a testament to Dubai's ambitious future. It's more than just a photo opportunity. It's a journey through Dubai's past, present, and future. Then, there's the Dubai Gold Souk, a traditional market nestled in the heart of the city, a bustling hub that has been the centerpiece of Dubai's rich heritage and economy for centuries. A unique blend of tradition and modernity, the souk is a place where the world's finest gold, silver, and precious stones find their home. Here, every piece of jewelry tells a story of skilled craftsmanship, meticulous design, and intricate detailing. A walk through its labyrinthine lanes is like taking a journey back in time. The sound of the tinkling gold, the glimmer of the sparkling diamonds, and the enchanting aroma of the spices filling the air, all combine to create a magical atmosphere. This market isn't just a place for buying gold, it's an experience in itself, bringing the old and the new worlds together. A dazzling spectacle that truly embodies Dubai's title as the City of Gold. And, have you heard of the Al Fahidi historical neighborhood? Nestled in the heart of Dubai, it is a place that offers an immersive voyage into the past. As you walk down the time-worn narrow lanes, each step will take you further back in history. You'll feel the echoes of the past, whispering tales of a bygone era in your ears. The traditional wind towers, standing tall and majestic, have been keeping the essence of Dubai's rich history alive for centuries. These towers, just like silent storytellers, speak volumes about the city's intriguing heritage, its people, and their journey through time. The neighborhood is a testament to Dubai's rich history and heritage. What about the Dubai Museum? This iconic structure is nestled within the heart of the city, housed in the historic Al Fahidi Fort. A venerable monument in and of itself, the fort adds a layer of charm and fascination to the museum experience. The museum serves as an intriguing portal to the past, offering captivating insights into the rich history and multifaceted culture of the Emirates. Its diverse exhibits chronicle eras bygone, shedding light on the development of the region. The museum maintains an incredible repertoire of artifacts, each with a distinct story to tell. It's not just a museum, it's a living testament to the UAE's vibrant past. It's a treasure trove for history buffs and curious minds alike. Last but not least, consider the Global Village, a cultural sensation encapsulating traditions and cuisines of 90-plus countries. Experience a global journey without leaving Dubai. With soaring skyscrapers, opulent resorts, historical markets, and cultural landmarks, Dubai is a city of wonders. Now, which spot piques your interest to visit first? Or do you already have a beloved destination in Dubai? Share your thoughts and make your dreams of Dubai come true.